We forget that we come from a very long standing education position, which was far ahead of this educational system we do now. Because back then, you just look at the models for what they had. Example, we came up with a laddie stone. That's like an engineering feat for the world. And I've heard people denigrate the laddie stone and say, "Oh yeah, I just use it for barbecue. I stand up on it all the time." I had a fallout because down at Angel Santos Park one time I went and I told the tour guide, "You better get those Japanese tourists off of those laddie stones right now." And he goes, "Well, no, no." I said, "No, no, no. You wouldn't go stand on anything else." But I had a big run-in with a talk show hosts, two of them, and they said the same thing. They were just not a big deal. But the laddie stone and then our canoes with the asymmetrical hull are not the same as the others that they make in the Pacific, where they have symmetrical hulls. The asymmetrical hull cuts the water faster. Is That's why the balance for the outrigger is there. There were so many things. The sling stone. We were using the football shape long before football.